is a portable installation tester for verify electrical installation safety. It performs measurement of no trip earth loop impedance, RCD tripping time, socket tester, and voltage harmonics up to the 49th. It has an internal memory and can generate professional report. The instrument shows more common error on wiring socket, like no earth connection or phase and neutral reverse. Rapid Pro performs non-trip earth loop impedance measurement with 2 decimal digit and an high accuracy. LPA resistance in ohm is shown on the display, with contact voltage value or prospective short circuit current. Test can be performed with standard current 50 mA or with low current 5 mA, without losing resolution or affordability of the measurement. The instrument performs RCD tripping time test for type A AC or F RCD. The test can be performed with different current, nominal current, half the value or 5 times the value. The instrument performs also auto mode test. Tripping time value is always shown on display in a green color if it is correct, in a red color if it is not, with a complete execution of all the tests in a sequence. Rapid Pro measures voltage harmonics up to 49th, with THD value and voltage value for each harmonics. Rapid Pro has an internal memory and can generate records. It stores the last 64 value you measured, and while pushing the red button you can generate a QR code, which by scanning with your phone you can access to my.uniks database with all your measurement and the possibility of create professional reports. Rapid Pro, used with our adapter EV Check, can test electrical performance and safety of EV charging station. Shuko plug adapter allows the instrument to be connected directly to the charging station without opening. The instrument performs earth ground measurement, RCD tripping time, and shows the harmonics value.